In this video I'm going to test my dummy batteries with lithium-ion batteries on 7 different devices. Just a warning, lithium-ion batteries is 3.7 volts. That is why I'm using only one with a dummy in my devices. If you do it at home, I used old stuff, do it on your own risk. You can hurt your devices. Oh, I didn't switch the right one on and off. My fault. I'm not going to talk anymore. You can watch all the different devices how I tested it. There is videos available that show you how I made these dummy batteries. You are welcome to go and watch them. I will link one of the shortcuts at the end. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe. Have a nice day.